Good morning, class. So, the chapter number 5, common fraction, in that we will study next topic, that is addition and subtraction of fractions. So, first of all, in fractions, we will study the addition and subtraction of like fractions. We all know what are like fractions. So, like fractions are fractions having same denominators. So, the fractions having same denominator are known as like fraction. So, first of all, we will study addition and subtraction of like fraction. So let's move on to the example number 1. We have to add fractions 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. So to add them, we will write the question as it is. First of all, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. We all know, the students, the rule of the fractions. When the denominators are same of different fraction, we can directly add the numerator of that denominator of that fractions. So let's add the numerator of all the three fractions. 1, 2 and 3 should be added together. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 upon, since the same denominator is having in all the three fractions, so we will write only 1 5 in the denominator. So let's add them. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 by 5 is the answer. Now see, the denominator is less than numerator or numerator is greater than denominator. In that case, we have to convert this fraction into mixed fraction, improper fraction into mixed fraction. So what is the formula? We have to write in that same way: quotient, divisor and remainder. Okay, so here we will write in the mixed form. What is the answer? 1 plus 1 by 5. So the addition of this gives answer this. Similarly, when we take, let's take another example. Example number 2. In example number 2, we have subtracted the like fraction. So in the subtraction of like fraction, what we did as we did in earlier example. In addition, we write the same example here: 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. So when the denominators are same, we can directly add or subtract the numerator. So 5 minus 3 upon 8, that is nothing but 5 minus 2 is 2. 2 upon 8 is further reducible to its lowest form. So it is when it is divided with 2 numerator and it is denominator is divided it by 2, what we will get? 2 divided by 2 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it is present in its lowest form. So the answer is 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. So this is all about like fraction. In like fraction method, what we did, we directly subtracted the numerator, and what we did, we find the answer whether it was given to subtract or add. If addition was given, we added the numerators, and when the addition was given, we added the numerator, and when subtraction was given to us, so we subtracted the numerators. So this method was very simple when you have given like fractions. Like fraction आपको दिए हैं तो आप जल्दी से बस न्यूमरेटर को ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आंसर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. But what if we have to find addition and subtraction of unit fractions? Unit fractions we all know. So the fraction having numerator 1. In that case, what we have to do, since the denominators are different, they are not like fractions. So what we have to do is convert unit fraction into like fraction and then add and subtract. सबसे पहला स्टेप होगा हमको यूनिट फ्रैक्शन में को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? लाइक फ्रैक्शन. इसके पहले की तरह, जैसे जहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर दोनों का सेम हो जाए एंड वी कैन डायरेक्टली ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट द न्यूमरेटर. सो to do this, what we have to do is to convert the like fraction by using by multiplying the denominator with their LCM. When we'll find, when we will do, we can equal the denominator when there will be a common multiple, common number which comes in the table of both. So we have to find the LCM of 5 and 3. So in that case, whenever you have to find unit fraction addition and subtraction, you need to calculate the LCM of that fractions डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी प्रेजेंट है नंबर, उनके एलसीएम को फाइंड करके देन हम उसका एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं. सो लेट्स फाइंड एलसीएम ऑफ 5 and 3. Since both are prime number, we can directly multiply and get the LCM. So the LCM is 15. Now, what we have to do? Since the LCM is 15, अब देखिए 15 इसका LCM आ गया. So अब 5 को, यहाँ देखो 5 को 15 बनाने के लिए किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो एक रूल होता है फ्रैक्शंस में कि जैसे हम यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में जिस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसी नंबर से हमको न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, क्योंकि जब हम इसको कट करेंगे 3 गेट कैंसल, सो विल गेट द ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शन. सो द changes are not happening when we are cancelling this to the original fraction. तो ओरिजिनल हमारा जो फ्रैक्शन है वो अफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. इन दैट केस वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विथ द सेम नंबर. ओके, सी अगर हमको 15 चाहिए तो हमने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 5 को. ओके, तो हमको जब 5 से हमने 3 को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1 को भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. ओके, सेम नंबर से न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में. ठीक है, तो हमको क्या मिला? 3/15. सिमिलरली 3 को 15 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, क्योंकि 3 5 जा 15 होता है. सो विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 5 हियर इन द डिनोमिनेटर एंड ऑल्सो इन द न्यूमरेटर. सो 1 into 5 विल बी 5 and 3 into 5 will be 15. Now see students, we have got the like fraction. Okay, 1/5 is converted to 3/15 and 1/3 is converted into 5 into 15. So these fractions got converted into like fraction. Now we can add them. Since 1/5 is converted and 1/3 is also converted, so 1/5 plus 1/3 can be written as 3/15 and 5/15. Okay, after that let's add them directly. So adding numerator of both of them, so 3 plus 5 is 8 upon 15. So the answer is 1/5 plus 1/3 is equal to 8/15. Got it? Now let's see another example. We have to add 1/4, 1/8 and 1/3 in this example. So what was the procedure? Since these are not like fractions, we have to convert them into like fraction. Unit fraction to like fraction, दो स्टेप होती है. सबसे पहले यूनिट फ्रैक्शन को लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर एंड देन फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ दैट नंबर्स डिनोमिनेटर्स and then do addition and subtraction when the fraction got converted into like fraction. Okay, so let's find the LCM of 4, 8 and 10. Okay, since they are present in the denominator. So what is the method of finding LCM? We'll write 4, 8 and 10 here. See, 4, 8, 10 comes in the table of 2. So we'll divide it by 2. Dividing 4 by 2, we'll get 2. Dividing 8 by 2, we'll get 4. Dividing 10 by 2, we'll get 5. Okay, 2 and 4 again it is divisible by 2. So let's divide it by 2. On dividing 2 by 2, we'll get one quotient. 4 by 2, we'll get quotient 2. And 5 will remain as it is. Now collect the prime factors. 1, 2, this is 2, 2, 2 and 5. So multiply them. 2, 2, 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So LCM is 40. Now see, 1/4, we have to convert 4 into 40. Okay, so how 4 is converted into 40? By multiplying 4 into 10. 4 tens are 40. Okay, so 4 into 10 will become 40. Similarly, when we have multiplied in the denominator by 10, we have to multiply numerator by 10 also. Okay. So what is the numerator? 1 into 10, 10, and denominator will be 40. Similarly, to make 8 into 40, we have to multiply it by 5. So we multiplied here in the denominator by 5, we need to multiply on the numerator by 5 also. So on multiplying numerator we'll get 5, on multiplying 5 by numerator we'll get 40. Similarly, to convert 10 into 40, what we have to do is we have to multiply it by 4. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by 4, we'll get 4 by 14. So see, 4 by 14. Now what we have to do, just add them. 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. That is nothing but 10 by 40, 5 by 14 and 4 by 40. Ten plus 5 plus 4. 15 plus 4 is 19. So 19 by 4. So the answer is 19 by 4. So till now we have find the LCM and added the fractions. Now let's move on to the subtraction process. Okay. What we have to do here is we have to subtract a fraction 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. So what we need to do is we have to find LCM of 10 and 15. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 10 and 15 comes in the table of 5. So on dividing 10 by 5 we'll get 2 and 15 we get 3. Okay. So 5, 2 and 3 are factors. So multiply them to get LCM. 5 into 2 into 3, 10 into 3, 30. Now convert 1 by 10 into 30. So to convert 10 into 30, we have to multiply 10 by 3. Similarly on numerator side also. So 3 by 30. 1 by 10 is converted to 3 by 30. 1 by 15 is converted to, so 15 we have to multiply by 2 to get 30. Okay. So 1 by 15 is converted into 2 by 30. Now let's subtract them. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15 is nothing but 3 by 30 minus 2 by 30. So let's directly subtract them. 3 minus 2 . 3 minus 2, let's take 1 second. Huh? 3 minus 2 by 30. So 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 30. Okay. So the answer is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 30. Now next example of your textbook. Last question of your example number. Last question of exercise 5.4 and example number 23. See what is the question. Vikram does 1/4 part of homework in the evening. Open your textbook of maths, page number 61, and the question is 23rd. Vikram does 1/4 part of homework in the evening. 1/4 part of homework वो कब कर रहा है? इवनिंग में. एंड 1/6 पार्ट एट 9. ओके. और 1/6 पार्ट नाइट में कर रहा है. सो 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ होमवर्क ही इज डूइंग इन इवनिंग एंड 1/6 पार्ट एट द नाइट. एंड व्हाट इज आस्क्ड, व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ होमवर्क डज ही डू मोर इन इवनिंग. इवनिंग में ज़्यादा, कितना ज़्यादा उसने रात से कंपेयर किया. जैसे रात में ज़्यादा किया या दिन में किया. सबसे पहली बात तो शाम में उसने ज़्यादा किया. ठीक है. अगर हम दोनों फ्रैक्शन को देखेंगे, कंपेयर करेंगे, तो ये फ्रैक्शन बड़ा है, तो इवनिंग में उसने ज़्यादा होमवर्क किया है. तो कितना ज़्यादा होमवर्क किया है, कोई भी चीज़ को अगर हम कितना ज़्यादा है उससे कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? सब्ट्रैक्शन से. ओके. तो वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 1/4 द होमवर्क डन इन द इवनिंग माइनस होमवर्क डन, पार्ट ऑफ होमवर्क डन एट night. Okay, so we'll subtract 1/4 minus 1/6. So since they are not like fraction, we have to convert them into like fractions. So the method to convert like fraction is to find LCM of 4 and 6. So Here I have find the LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6 comes in the table of 2. So we'll divide it by 2. What will get? 2 and 3 here. So now LCM will be 2, 2, 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay. So the LCM is 12. Now we have to convert 4 into 12 and 6 into 12. To convert 4 into 12, we have to multiply it by 3. And to convert 6 into 12, we have to multiply it by 2. So on multiplying 4 by 3, we will get 12. Similarly, we have to multiply 3 with numerator also. So in numerator 3 will be there and in denominator 12 will come. Okay. And 1/6 को कन्वर्ट करना है 12 में, तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. तो न्यूमरेटर में 2 हो जाएगा एंड डिनोमिनेटर में 12. तो 1/4 किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? 3/12 में. और 1/6 कन्वर्ट हो गया 2/12 में. सो 1/4 माइनस 1/6 इज नथिंग बट सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 3/12 टू 2/12. दोनों का फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया, लाइक फ्रैक्शन हो गए हैं. सो वी विल डायरेक्टली सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 12. So 1/12 part of homework he does more in evening. तो विक्रम ने कितना ज़्यादा होमवर्क किया था इवनिंग में? 1/12 part. Then at the night. This is the answer of 23rd question. So hope you all understand the today's topic. On solving some example in the class, आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. बट बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट यही है कि हमको लाइक फ्रैक्शन में डायरेक्ट न्यूमरेटर को ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होता है, लेकिन आपको यूनिट फ्रैक्शन दिया है, उसको ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम फाइंड करेंगे. एलसीएम फाइंड करने पे डिनोमिनेटर को एलसीएम जो आया है उतना कन्वर्ट करेंगे, मतलब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में उतना लाने के लिए. And then when it is converted to like fraction, we directly add or subtract the given fraction. So this is all about addition and subtraction of unit fractions. So you have to do exercise 5.4 which is based on this example only. Okay, thank you.